Hey, today we are going to unbox RB750Gr3 X series from Mikrotik product. This is Man Khan from Dream Network and Technology Private Limited. Hex is a 5-port gigabit Ethernet router for locations where wireless connectivity is not required. The device has a full-size USB port. The new update revision of the Hex brings several improvements in performance. It is affordable, small and easy to use, but at the same time it comes with a very powerful 880 MHz CPU and 256 MB RAM, capable of all the advanced configuration that router OS supports. On the right side of the screen, you can see product code, architecture, CPU, RAM size, and other specifications. So this is a router board. It has a very nice packaging. Here it's a manual, and this is our RB750Gr3. We will describe it in detail. First, let's see what we have inside the box. So this is the adapter of the router. Let's get back on the router board. It has one PoE and 4 ports for connecting your computer. This is the back side, and on side we have a USB port. Let's see where it is. Here it is. Router on your computer, open network and internet settings. Then you have to open change adapter options. Then open your local area connection, click on properties and find internet protocol version 4 and set it to obtain IP address automatically. Click OK. Click on details to check if it assigns the IP address automatically. Then open your browser and write 192.168.88.1. This is a quick set configuration IP for Mikrotik routers. It's automatically set, but if you want to change anything, you can change it from here.